Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify channel where we provide off-campus jobs and internship opportunities. So in this video, we will be discussing about the off-campus opportunities from Citi, Genpact, Goldman Sachs and Hitachi. This is a freshers hiring, so all freshers can apply for this opportunity. So let's see more details about the jobs. First hiring is from Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is hiring for Asset and Wealth Management Division. So talking about the eligibility and qualification, then any graduate with any branches or discipline can apply for this opportunity, where you should be having experience in data pipelines and databases with experience in using backend servers and APIs like Node.js, Express Java or Spring. And if you are having knowledge related to the technology like RESTful APIs, SDLC tools or cloud deployment, then it will be an advantage for this role. So if you are having the following skill set, then you must apply for this job. They are hiring for Bangalore location. Second hiring is from Genpact. Genpact is hiring for management trainee. So talking about the qualification, then you should be having your graduate or postgraduate degree in any of the discipline or branches with a technical background, where you should be having the hands-on experience on Oracle, PLSQL and APIs. And if you are having your graduation or post-graduation degree in electrical, electronics or computer science engineering, then it will be an advantage for this role, but it is not mandatory. And if you are from any other department, then also you can apply for this job. They are hiring for Bangalore location. Third hiring is from Citibank. They are hiring for data analyst role for Chennai location. So talking about the qualification, then you should be having your bachelor's degree from any of the university with any branches or discipline with 0 to 2 years of experience. It means freshers as well as experienced candidate up to 2 years can apply for this role. So you should be having knowledge related to business systems and industry standard with a hands-on experience in using MS Office. Fourth hiring and the last hiring for this video is from Hitachi. Hitachi is hiring for service engineer role. They are hiring for Mumbai location, where entry-level freshers can apply for this role. This is a full-time opportunity, so you must apply. All the graduate or postgraduate, those who are currently pursuing their degree from any branches or discipline, or those who have recently completed their degree can apply for this opportunity. So these were the 4 job opportunities where you must apply according to your skill set and eligibility criteria. And if you haven't watched our previous videos related to off-campus jobs and internship opportunities, then you must watch the video and apply for this opportunity. And if you like the video, do hit the like button. Also share with all your friends, those who are in search of new off-campus job opportunities. Thank you.